We've been working with the providers to make sure that there is a place for each person to go and for them to be able to continue to get the services that they need.
The governor says the order does not apply to services that involve groups of 10 people or less. This latest order is a continuation of the governor's plan to slowly shut down the day-to-day activities that put people at risk.
What we do now, what we do not do now, will really determine ultimately how many Ohioans die. This is an absolutely critical time.
The governor used this graphic from the New York Times to illustrate his point. On the left is a map that shows how wide the virus could spread with no control measures. In the middle, what it might look like with some control measures. And on the right, it shows how the virus could be contained with severe control measures. Governor DeWine says it's critical that we all do our part to stay home as much as possible.